Hi, I'm Mario, and today I'm going to teach you how to tape a hockey stick. I first want to start off by saying the importance of taping your stick. It can give you more control while stick handling and shooting. You will need white tape and your scissors. Then grab your white tape and rip it in half. Use the half strip and tape the top of your stick where your hand goes. Start by wrapping the tape around the top of your stick. Get it to a thickness of how you like it. Rip your tape and take the rest of the half tape off so you have a full roll again. Tape right under the half strip. Go down the shaft to the length you like. Turn your stick over and start at the toe of your stick. Put tape in the toe and wrap it around until it covers the toe. Then start pulling the tape diagonal to let the tape go down farther the blade. You keep this up for the rest of your stick and make sure you have even strips with your tape. At the end of the blade, cut the tape around the toe. When you are done cutting your toe, you have your blade and knob complete, then you can go and play some puck. I hope this was helpful in understanding how to tape a hockey stick. Go rip some pucks with the boys.